Well, this is a simple tutorial for Ubuntu 10.10 and below, and possibly a newer version from this video. So in order to change your own display picture, which is the one at the top, and it gives you this display picture. It doesn't for me because I installed Ubuntu inside Windows. But basically, to do this for your login screen and for your picture, just go to System, Preferences, and then About Me. Once you open up About Me, you just click on this icon near your username. My own is Begins because that is my last name. So if you just click on that, choose a photo anywhere, or you can go to your pictures. And basically that's just it. You click on Open, and yeah, you have your picture, close, and when you log out of Ubuntu you can check it out. That's basically it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.